How to change Cash App password. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to change your Cash App password, also known as your Cash PIN. First, open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, you will find several sections to help you manage different parts of your account. Scroll down and tap on the option labeled Security and Privacy, which is found under the Account and Settings section. Please make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Now, you are on the Security and Privacy Settings page. These settings allow you to control the privacy and security aspects of your account. From the available options, tap on the one named Security Lock. Once you do that, a new page will appear with additional security settings. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Change Cash PIN. Before you can change your PIN, Cash App will need to verify your identity. You'll now see a screen asking you to enter your current cash PIN. Go ahead and enter it. After that, you'll be prompted to enter a new PIN of your choice. Make sure it is secure and easy for you to remember. Once you've entered it, you'll be asked to confirm the new PIN by entering it again. Once both entries match, your cash PIN will be successfully updated, and you will see a confirmation message. That's it! You've now changed your Cash App password. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change Cash App password.